Jackie. So this video is show you how to make your own rainbow calligraphy brush with recycled materials. So first of all, you need a carton box. So this is from what you have at home. Any carton box, any thickness will do, because this is used as a base or holder for your brush. And then you need a sponge. So you cut out sponge that absorbs water, so you can absorb the more colors, and you make a longer stroke with different colors. And then you need rubber band. This is for you to tighten, to tie up the cardboard box with the sponge. And you need, of course, anti-cutter, steel ruler. So first of all, I will show you this, how to cut out this carton box as a base, as a holder for your brush. So this, you cut out steel ruler wide, so it's about 1 inch as a base. So my carton box with one side color, it just look nice on it when you fold it inside out. Yeah. So I prefer to measure how long my brush goes. So I will, let's say, about 4 inch. So I have to cut a line. Cut a line, don't cut all the way down, just cut half, so that you can fold your carton box into half nicely. So this is the assessment. So we must make both sides of the carton box level. Yeah. And then so come to the sponge. We use foam or sponge that can absorb water. You can try that out first. And we have to measure how thick is our brush. So just according to our brush, and then we cut it off this way, and we put in and hold it with the cutting box. So you make it, there will make two. One with a longer sponge tip, so about 6 millimeters, 7 millimeters, and then I will tie it up with a rubber band. So here you are. Just hold nicely, and then the second one. Another one for a shorter tip. So just like first one, cut this. Just fit. So we do this one shorter. This one is about 40 millimeters. Here you are. So you have your own, very own made rainbow calligraphy brush. We call it rainbow brush. Yeah. Okay. Let's try out how it works. So I have my colors already ready get ready here. So I have different colors. Okay. Alright, so let's start with the longer tip. See, red and yellow. So, wow. Beautiful, isn't it? How do you like it? So I'll explain to you why I make two, one longer tip and one shorter one. So let's see what's the difference between two. You see any different? Actually, with those shorter tip, it's more easy to control. When you bend, when you press, you give pressure on your brush tip. So let's see here. When you give pressure on your brush tip, the sponge or foam will go down. It's not firm enough to stand. So when you move it, it's not so easy to control when you want to join both lines together. When you have this shorter one, the shorter tip, so you can just join it perfectly, nicely. Yeah, and it won't bend so much, so you are more easy to control the movement of your brush head, your tip. Let's try it. So yeah, beautiful, isn't it? So it's so easy and cheap, and it's cost you not even $1 for doing your own rainbow calligraphy brush with these materials. So first you need cardboard box, and then some rubber band and a foam type sponge. So here you are. So you can try it out and let me know in the comments how do you enjoy making your own brush. And you can see in the next video I will show you how to make my original rainbow calligraphy brush with bamboo holder and a harder sponge. This harder sponge, but there are different effects come out from both brushes. This sponge brush and this sponge brush, they are using different materials, and the effect come out totally different. So at the beginnings, you can try out these recycled materials for fun, and then I will teach you how to prepare your own set of rainbow colors to do your calligraphy. First of all, you just use some tempera paint and add some water and dip your color in. Let's try it out first. So have fun and enjoy the process. So So at last, please like, share, comments and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified when I have next video. Thank you. Bye bye.